Hi guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell notification, and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. Okay guys, so I'm just coming into my garden to get some mint, which I need for dinner tonight. So I'm going to be making fish and chips with some peas and carrots for dinner. And for the peas and carrots, I'm going to be putting mint and butter. So here's my mint. So I'm just going to get, as you can see, it's not really much. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the mint here, the mint leaves, so that I can use to put in my peas and carrots for dinner tonight. All right, I think I need to pick, somebody running there. I need to pick some of my tomatoes. So let me do that as well, because I see that a lot of them are ripe. So I might as well pick it one time. As you can see, the pepper tree has quite a few peppers on it as well. But let's just get some of these tomatoes picked here. I'll leave those two still. And let me just get these tomatoes, and then we head back inside and I'll show you how I do the peas and carrots and the chips as well. Okay guys, so for this evening we're going to be making some peas and carrots for dinner. It's quite simple. This is frozen peas and carrots here. We're going to need some mint and we're going to need some butter. So I'm just going to mince up the mint, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put the frozen peas and carrots into a pot of boiling water, and we're going to just boil it for a few minutes. Then we're going to drain it, and then we're going to add butter and the mint leaves, and some salt, and that's basically it, and of course some black pepper as well. So that's how we're going to do our peas and carrots. Okay, so I'm just going to put some of the peas and carrots into this pot of boiling water. Oops. Okay, I hope I got that. Alright, so we're just going to boil the peas and carrots for about a couple minutes, and then we will drain it. And then quite simply, we're just going to add the butter and the mint, and that's going to be our side dish. So it's quite simple to make. Normally they will make this without carrots. It's called mushy peas. They just make it with peas alone, but I'm going to do peas and carrots. Okay guys, so our peas and carrots are finished boiling. So we're just going to put some butter. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. It's going to be a bit hard. We need to put some butter in our pot. I think I'm going to have to put down my camera in order to do that. Right, so it's quite simply, we're just going to add our butter to our pan here. It's a bit hot. Let's remove that. I just have it off the heat because I don't want my butter to burn, because the pot got pretty hot. Alright, so we have our butter here, and now I'm just going to add in the peas and carrots to it. Alright, and then I'm going to add in the mint. I'm just going to stir that a bit, and I'm just going to add in a pinch of salt, and that's it. That's our peas and carrots with butter and mint. It's quite simple, yet effective. So let's just add a little bit of the salt and some black pepper to this. All right. And that's it. So that's it, guys. That's our peas and carrots with butter and mint. As you can see, it's quite simple, and it's a nice side dish for your fish and chips. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.